How to use Jira for non-profit company. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use Jira for non-profit company. So it's gonna be very easy. So basically, we're gonna use Jira templates, and there are a lot of categories, and there is non-profit. So we will use that templates. So first, you can open your Jira account and then go to your left side here. There is space. You can click plus icon here and it will brings you to the space templates, and on the left side as you can see there are a lot of categories. You can choose whatever you want, but in this video we're gonna choose non-profit for our non-profit company and our organization actually. And as you can see there are four main templates, and you can choose whatever you want. Let's say I'm gonna choose community management, and I'm gonna choose the name, let's say non-profit team. Just for example, and you can choose how your space is managed. I'm gonna choose team manage. And for the access, you can choose open, private, or limited. I'm gonna choose private, so only admins and people I add to the project can see, view, or edit something. And then I'm gonna click next here. And then you can add your theme. But if you don't want to add it now, you can just click skip on the right bottom here. And as you can see, this is your template. You can use whatever you want, so you can modify it. And if you want to add or use another template, you can just repeat the process and choose another template. And if you think this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.